Hi everybody, it's Rob Bergio, and today is the question. How do you get inspiration? That's it, we all need to find inspiration. Right now is a perfect time. It's January, everyone. Yeah, it's January. What do I like to do during January? Find inspiration, learn new techniques, find new trends, haircuts, learn as much as I could now to help take me into the year and get me focused and use some of my downtime to get inspired. So education is a great way to do it. There's some great links. You can go to goldwellkmsregistration.com. goldwellkmsregistration.com. There you can find all the classes for 2022 at the New York City Academy, Australia, Canada, and there are some incredible state-of-the-art classes in an unbelievable state-of-the-art facility. So you guys, you can start there. Goldwell also has their own YouTube channels. There's some really cool videos, little small tutorials there too. You can go to my site, it's called Amplify the Stylist YouTube, or you could also go to amplifythestylist.com to sign up. But all about education, right? That's a good way to stay inspired. But it's also about tools. I don't know about you, but when I get a brand new pair of scissors or a comb or a new tool, I get super, super pumped about. So today we are talking about clips, hair sectioning clips. I don't know about you, but I'm sick of clips that just rust, break, and are just flimsy. I'm sick of clips that are so tight that you'll literally, yeah, they're just too tight. How about clips that just have absolutely no touching to them? Like, what are you gonna do with that? Or clips that are just gonna like seriously break and bend really easy. Or how about the clips that are just so darn big when you're trying to do neat little focused sections, and there's no way you're going to the nape or a pixie with a clip like this, right? There's some great things that this clip does, but it's not for precision hair cutting in certain areas. Or clips that have no grippage and they just slip away from you. So yeah, I don't know about you, but I am sick and tired of those clips, so I decided to create my own clips. That's right, you guys. Got my own clips and I can't wait. They are coming out in February. Stay tuned for those clips. And so if you go to amplifythestylist.com, you can sign up on the waiting list and get free tutorials at the same time. Not a bad idea, right? So also tools, one of my favorite companies is Varis, V-A-R-I-S. If you go to varishair.com, you'll find everything that they have there. They have killer flat irons, and I love my favorite. They also have killer blow dryers and brushes and a ton of great stuff. So where do you find your inspiration? For me, it's about education, and it's also about the proper tools. You guys check out some of those links, and I can't wait to show you my new Barracuda clips.